everyone, welcome back to Autoland, where we explore the latest and greatest in luxury travel and motorhomes. Today we have an exciting episode lined up as we delve into the world of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz motorhomes. We'll explore their innovative features, cutting-edge technology, and the unparalleled comfort they offer for your adventures on the road. So buckle up and let's embark on this journey together. Mercedes-Benz has long been synonymous with luxury, performance, and innovation. In 2025, they've taken their expertise to new heights by redefining the motorhome experience. The latest lineup of Mercedes motorhomes combines state-of-the-art technology with elegant design, ensuring that your home on wheels is as sophisticated as it is functional. One of the standout models in the 2025 lineup is the Gresh RV Stradale. Built on the all-new 2024 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter AW3 500 XD chassis, this motorhome offers a perfect blend of luxury and performance. The Strada Ion is powered by a 4-cylinder diesel high-output engine paired with a 9-speed transmission, ensuring a smooth and efficient drive. The exterior of the Strada Ion boasts a sleek and modern design, featuring a full fiberglass body accent kit and stainless steel side molding. These design elements not only enhance the vehicle's aesthetics, but also contribute to its aerodynamic efficiency. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the exterior, making it a head-turner on the road. Let's talk interior. Stepping inside the Strada Ion, you're greeted with a meticulously crafted interior that exudes luxury. The use of high-quality materials and handcrafted coach building sets a new standard in the Class B motorhome market. The layout is designed to maximize space and comfort, providing a cozy yet spacious environment for travelers. The Strada Ion comes equipped with a range of luxurious amenities to elevate your travel experience. The kitchen area features high-end appliances, including a refrigerator, microwave, and a 2-burner gas cooktop, allowing you to prepare meals just like at home. The living area is furnished with plush leather seating and a 43-inch TV, perfect for relaxing after a day of exploration. One of the standout features of the Strada Ion is its advanced lithium-ion battery energy storage system. This system provides clean and quiet energy to power all onboard amenities, ensuring you have a reliable power source wherever your adventures take you. Whether you're off the grid or at a campsite, you can enjoy all the comforts of home without compromise. Safety is paramount in the design of the Strada Ion. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, it comes equipped with advanced safety features such as active brake assist, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. These technologies work together to provide a secure and confident driving experience, allowing you to focus on the journey ahead. Another notable model in the 2025 Mercedes motorhome lineup is the Tiffin Wayfarer. This Class C motorhome is built on the Mercedes-Benz 3500 XD dual-wheel cutaway chassis and is powered by a 2L4-point-cylinder 208 HP turbo diesel engine. The Wayfarer offers a spacious interior with multiple floor plans to suit different needs, making it a versatile option for travelers. The Wayfarer's interior is thoughtfully designed to provide all the comforts of home. It features a fully equipped kitchen, a comfortable sleeping area, and a bathroom with a shower, toilet, and sink. The use of high-quality materials and finishes throughout the interior creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. In terms of technology, the Wayfarer doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with modern conveniences such as a touchscreen control panel for managing various systems, USB charging ports, and energy-efficient LED lighting. These features ensure that you stay connected and comfortable during your travels. For those seeking a more compact option without compromising on luxury, the Thor Motor Coach Tranquility 24C is an excellent choice. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter AWT chassis, the Tranquility 24C offers a perfect balance of size and functionality. Its compact footprint makes it easy to maneuver, while the well-designed interior provides all the amenities needed for a comfortable journey. The interior of the Tranquility 24C is designed to make the most of its space. It features a fully equipped kitchen with a refrigerator, microwave, and cooktop, as well as a comfortable sleeping area and a bathroom with all the necessary facilities. The use of smart storage solutions ensures that you have ample space to store your belongings. In addition to its practical features, the Tranquility 24C comes equipped with modern technology to enhance your travel experience. It includes a touchscreen control panel for easy management of various systems, USB charging ports to keep your devices powered, and energy-efficient LED lighting throughout the interior. Mercedes-Benz has also ventured into the realm of ultra-luxury motorhomes with models like the Big Boy 1200, built by Brabus on the Mercedes Actros truck chassis. The Big Boy 1200 offers an unparalleled level of luxury and space. This 12-meter, 26-ton motorhome features a 30-square-meter living area with electrically powered slide-out modules that expand the bedroom and living spaces. Inside the Big Boy 1200, you'll find a fully equipped kitchen with high-end appliances, a stylish living room with leather sofas and a large TV, a master bedroom with a double bed and a spa steel bathroom. Additional features include heated flooring, solar-powered energy systems, and a satellite internet link, ensuring that you have all the comforts of home no matter where you are. The Big Boy 1200 is powered by a 12.8-liter six-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine producing 523 horsepower. This ensures that despite its size, the motorhome delivers impressive performance on the road. The combination of luxury amenities and powerful performance makes the Big Boy 1200 a standout in the world of motorhomes. In conclusion, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz motorhome lineup offers a range of options to suit different preferences and needs. From the compact yet luxurious Tranquility 24C to the ultra-luxurious Big Boy 1200, there's a Mercedes motorhome for every traveler. These vehicles combine advanced technology, elegant design, and unparalleled comfort to provide an exceptional travel experience. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz motorhome. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Autoland, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Let us know in the comments which Mercedes motorhome caught your eye, and if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next episode.